As the nation's leading distributor of HVAC/R equipment, parts, and supplies, Baker Distributing is committed to staying at the forefront of technology and offering some of the most advanced energy-efficient systems in the industry. We believe we have a responsibility in driving the transformation of our industry towards a lower carbon destiny and want to build a future where our customers, consumers, and the planet can thrive. We also believe actions speak louder than words and have committed to reduce our carbon footprint, which is why we recently invested in the upgrade of our own commercial HVAC system at our headquarters in Jacksonville. We replaced our outdated centralized HVAC system with a new ultra-efficient Variable Refrigerant Flow system from GREE. We chose GREE because we know the company to be a global leader in air conditioners with some of the most trusted HVAC systems in the world. GREE's inverter-driven ductless split multi-system is one of the most advanced in the industry. It reduces energy consumption while facilitating heating and cooling for commercial and residential applications. Unlike a traditional ducted HVAC system, where a single outdoor unit circulates conditioned air or cold water through all zones of a building, GREE's multi-system offers a far more efficient, flexible, and environmentally friendly solution that enables decentralized zone regulation with no water use and zone-by-zone temperature control in individual rooms, including heating and cooling of separate zones simultaneously. The system uses low-frequency DC inverter technology, adjusting the compressor speed based on each room's individual requirements to help conserve energy. Users can also switch between air conditioning and fresh air functions. By mixing and matching the ductless system's in-ceiling or high-wall units, you can create a truly bespoke system, manageable utilizing individual in-room controls or the latest wire remote technology. GREE's multi-system is smaller, quieter, and healthier, utilizing the latest state-of-the-art photocatalytic filtration system that eliminates 99.9% of airborne bacteria and contaminants to purify the air quality. Like GREE, Baker Distributing is committed to helping people live well, stay comfortable, and improve their lives. By installing GREE's new multi-VRF system in our headquarters, Baker Distributing is not only providing for the health and comfort of our team and operational and financial efficiency for our corporate stakeholders, but for the good of the environment and society as a whole. Thank you, GREE, for your part in helping us.